ntuboge tutu chache South ntobuati support ngia Richmond Korwase County. We feel that the county government terato aibagarie ito una abantu baboge tutu chache South. Richmond yaye numusani bwe governor. Tindi korwani governor bono na murwani ngakora. Bono numusani one. Lakini motebiga. Ekerata ite gukora ebintu ma. Nero to chika. Una madam donya to chika. Tuacha twakoraki. Tuomerana. Tuakwana. Tuamoteye priority neye. Koso muntu tubwente kora asire meremo noyo. You know. Ndo taete tubwaterane. Tonyare go change boge tutu chache South. Ne county yaito. Igo motebi. We need to come together, we work together, we transform our county. Finally, on matters to do with education, I have a problem with Honorable CS Ezekiel Machogu. The CS, Mr. Machogu, through the ministry, have employed 44,000 teachers in this financial year. In January and February. We are not happy with the distribution of the opportunities across the country, not just in KISII. CS Machogu, I'm addressing you and the ministry. You know the corruption you have been involved in. You took opportunities for our people and took them to your clan and the people of your community in Abaguche, and I'm not mincing my words. We want to talk about this day in, day out, until this issue is solved. Our children here, KISII and Nyamira County, have the highest concentration of trained teachers in the country. But the opportunities were taken elsewhere. And those that came to KISII and Nyamira were taken to one ward in Gesusu. So we are addressing the CS to do the right thing. And the opportunities that come to that ministry. Like now, in January, they got money to give to needy students who are joining Form 1. KISII County has not benefited from those opportunities. So, CS Machogu, we are addressing you, and we are not going to stop. And we don't fear you. You are lucky we did not get a chance to speak at your event the other day in Nyaribari. You are a disgrace and a monument of embarrassment to our community. The CS has been in KISII for the past 1 week, loitering around some populist stations, just trying to impress some individuals. Yet, he did not create time to visit Nyambaria Secondary School or Kadinotunga Secondary School that were leading in the in the KCSE that students sat for last year. So we are telling him and the president, while we appreciate you gave the community that opportunity, Mr. Machogu is incompetent. And we will say it here, we will say it in Nairobi. Unless he decides to do his job, awache kujaribu kuimpress a few people out there. Nasikia anasema Kitutu Chache South hatafanya kitu. Sisi tuko na CDF, tutafanya nayo kazi na watu wetu watafurahi. Na tutatafuta donors watatusaidia. Yeye abaki na hiyo, apeleke huko kwake huko Gesusu.